Old news, unpacking the phrase. Hello everyone. Today, we'll dive into a very common English phrase, old news. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand its meaning but also learn how to use it correctly in conversations. To understand the phrase, let's first break it down. Old, something that has been in existence or known for a long time. News, information about recent events or happenings. When combined, old news would literally mean information about events or happenings that has been known for a while. In daily conversation, old news is often used in a figurative sense. When someone says something is old news, they typically mean 1. It's not new or surprising to them. 2. The information has been known for a while and is no longer considered interesting or relevant. For example, if someone says, "Did you know that Mike moved to Canada?" and you've known that for months, you might reply, "Oh, that's old news." Here are a few examples to help you grasp the usage. 1. The fact that they're dating is old news. Everyone's been talking about it for weeks. 2. Your trick might have impressed us last year, but now it's just old news. 3. I don't know why you're bringing that up. It's old news. Remember, using old news is a way to convey that something is no longer fresh or surprising. Old news is a simple yet expressive phrase in English. It's a great way to say that something is no longer novel or exciting. We hope this video helped clear up its meaning and usage for you. Until next time, keep learning and exploring the wonders of the English language.